All right, students, so I'm going through a couple of the slides on the Desmos activity and just giving you some notes. It's always best to try these out first and then watch this video if you're stuck. So here we're just asked to pick a point so that the x-coordinate plus the y-coordinate equals 10. This to me is definitely standard form because I have two things combining to make a total. And so I just need to write anything that has an x and a y coordinate that adds up to 10. So I could write 2 comma 8. I could write 7 comma 3 because those add up to 10. I could write negative 12 and 22. Those add up to 10. I could write 0 and 10. I could write 5.5 and 4.5. I could write 1, 2, 3 and negative 113. All of those add up to 10. Those are all going to be points on the graph of the line. Let's see what we've got next. Oops. There we go. Graph it. And this is the whole point, that when you type in any of those points that added up to 10, like 4 comma 6 or 3 comma 7, or if you wanted to do 1.5 and 8.5, you'll see they all line up really nicely. You can even use negatives. Negative 2 and 12 also lines up. All of the points that add up to 10 are going to be on a line. That's the point of slide 3. Represent this with a situation. What we've seen is that all we care about is that the x-coordinate plus the y-coordinate makes 10. Okay. Checking out the relationship, typing in x plus y is equal to 10. You can see it unites all the points and actually shows us infinitely many other points that also work. That's the nice thing about these equations, is if you click, as I slide, all of these coordinates add up to 10. Similarly here, we have here a situation with money. Ice cream cone's 20 cents. What is one way I can make 20 cents if I have only pennies and nickels? All right, well, you could do it a lot of different ways. Here's one way, 20 pennies. Or you could do 4 nickels. And we could then also do, I don't know, 10 pennies plus 2 nickels. Let's see, what else could you do? You could do 5 pennies plus 3 nickels. There's lots of different ways you could do it. And I hope you're seeing how these are all standard form style equations. Okay, almost there. Just going to show a few more slides and call it good here. Use the table below to graph the number of pennies and nickels. So x is pennies, and so I'll type in one of those was 20 pennies and 0 nickels. The next one, I think I came up with 10 pennies and 2 nickels. We could have had 0 pennies and 4 nickels. I hope you see how this is a nice straight line. And when we write the equation here, what I hope you're noticing is that each penny is worth 1 cent. Each nickel is worth 5 cents, and the total amount of money is 20. So x plus 5y equals 20. And it mentions there are some restrictions on the x and the y value. When you see the word restrictions, you should be thinking of domain and range. And I hope you agree we can't have negative pennies and negative nickels. So anyway, I wanted to go over a few of those slides there. What I would do on this to make sure that it makes sense is restrict it with my squiggly brackets so that x goes between 0 and 20, and then now the equation makes sense. All right, so good luck today. Please reach out with questions and concerns. I can make more videos or answer your questions over email. And remember, you've also got your sub to help out.